Lala.
You're from?
I'm from Turkey.
Mexico. How do you think about China?
Well, it's very interesting.
Well, it represents the future.
Okay.
It's good. It's beautiful.
Again,
Changsha.
Changsha from ZOOMLION.
ZOOMLION and Aurora always together. Number one in Russia.
This is ZOOMLION.
I have some machine from ZOOMLION, it's very good quality.
I would say again amazing. It's nice to see all the performance what ZOOMLION did in the past years and also all the autonomous production line which you have built here.
ZOOMLION's good, very good.